Welcome back to R for Economics. This time we're going to be talking about getting the correlation between two variables. So if we bring in our data set, empty cars, there it is right there. And if we want HP and miles per gallon, we can just grab those two columns using the square brackets operators. And if we want the correlation, we can get those and put it into our core function. And this is the correlation function. And there we go. Our correlation is minus 7.6. So as HP goes up, miles per gallon goes down. I could also just select those two columns. So if I grab those two columns and put it into the correlation function, it will give me this. So it'll give me 1 because horsepower and horsepower are perfectly correlated, and miles per gallon are perfectly correlated. And here we can see the correlation is the minus 0.776 on the off diagonal. Now, if I wanted to do the correlation of everything in empty cars, I just do core and then empty cars. And now I can see that there's ones along the diagonal where they match up, and then I can see the correlation of the other ones. Now, perfect correlation would be 1, or perfect anti-correlation would be -1. So we can see that this 0.9 here, so disk and cylinders are correlated at 0.9, whereas something else like DRAT and QSAC are almost uncorrelated since they're close to 0. So if I wanted to do different types of correlation, so the default is Pearson. So I can look at the Pearson correlation and I get 0.776. If I look at the Kendall and then the Spearman, these are all different types and ways of computing the correlation. So depending on what you need for your method, you can actually have all these 3 types of methods. Great, and we'll see you in the next video.